Welcome to your new Keurig K-Supreme Plus Smart Brewer. In just a few minutes and 4 easy steps, we'll have your brewer connected to your Wi-Fi and have Brew ID activated so you can sit back and enjoy a perfectly customized cup of rich, full-flavored coffee just the way you like it. Before we begin, make sure you have your Wi-Fi password handy and ready to use. You'll need it in just a bit. Step 1. Open the box, remove the brewer, and place it on your countertop so the back of the brewer is facing you. Find the QR code on the back of the brewer and use your smartphone camera to scan it. This will recognize your brewer and take you to the App Store or Google Play to download the Keurig app. You'll need 2 hands for step 2. It's time to turn your brewer around and plug it in. When you do, it'll automatically power on and ask you to select your language preference. After you do, it's time to move on to step 3. Open the Keurig app and tap Get Connected. Then, create an account by tapping the link at the bottom of the logon screen and following the simple instructions. Step 4. On your brewer, press the right arrow to connect. In the Keurig app, tap Link to give the OK to connect your brewer to the app. After a moment, you'll be asked to join a Keurig network. Tap Join. And shortly after, your brewer and your app will be linked. Now, it's time to connect the brewer to your Wi-Fi. Here's where you'll need your password. From the drop-down, choose your Wi-Fi network and enter your password. Your brewer will take a moment to connect to Wi-Fi. You'll see a message on both the brewer and in the app letting you know you're connected and ready to use. Press OK on the brewer and in the app. Brew ID is now enabled, and you're on your way to enjoying your coffee the way the coffee experts recommend it. Or you can fine-tune the settings just the way you like it. We hope you love your new Keurig K-Supreme Plus Smart Brewer. If you have any questions or issues setting up, don't hesitate to call us. We're always happy to help.